So I decided to make a repair to my old Clarion CD player. We went ahead and got our little 12 volts output. Got that running over here, going to the ground along with the parking brake wire. And then we have our power. Let's see. Yep, our ignition wire, our power, and then this is the wire to the 12 volt supply there that's split into the blue and the black, or into the black and the red. So strange fix. There's a piece that I pulled off, that right there. And that's the part that belonged there. With that piece in, it would not come on. But with that piece off, it comes on. So, strange fix for a CD player that is probably about 8 years old now. But I'm proud of it. Now to go ahead and set it up and get it ready to go in the car.